Well, that escalated quickly. Day 2, a little bit more snow than yesterday. Got like 2 inches yesterday and nothing stuck to the ground. And today it just dumped on us. So I'm trying to clean up the driveway. It's about up to my knee right there. It's kind of hard to see. So yeah, we got at least 2 feet. In some places I heard getting close to 4 feet in other areas. So anyways, what do you think of the snow, bud? It's good? Well, if you like it, here, you can shovel. Here. Anyways, yeah, we'll see. Oh yeah, we built an igloo out there. Kind of cool. So anyways, we'll see how it goes. See how day 3 is.